Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live stream on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the US dollar CAD, I still think that there's a very good likelihood this is going to go down and make this ABC of wave B, like I've been forecasting. But luckily, we technically should be looking for longs on sort of time phase, so if it does just keep on going up, I guess it's not too big of a deal. Going down to the weekly time frame, to me, even though this is a very strong move up, I think it is so clear back here that it's a trend and that this is extremely clearly three waves. That's why I think this is a 1 and that this is a 2 and that this could go down to make a 3, a 4, and a 5. And this would all end up being most likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave B or wave C of wave B. So taking it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, technically the trend is still up in my opinion, and probably this is more likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe we're in a wave 5 right now. It possibly could go back up to the 78% and then reverse back down and then give us a break of structure. If something like this happens, that's going to be definitely gonna make it so I stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again, potentially for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, I think this is the structure I would be watching to confirm that this is turned down. And like I said, it does kind of look like a 1, 2, 3. So this could be a wave forward. We could go up one more time for a 5 before we get the real reversal. So keep an eye on it. Like I said, we do have some news coming out today. Maybe we'll get lucky and we'll get this reversal today and a break of structure. So that way we can start looking for shorts in a downtrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like it made three waves down. I mean, it probably is a wave A, it probably is a wave B, and it probably is a wave C. If it is an ABC, then it's probably a wave 4, and we're probably just going to keep on going up for a wave 5. I was kind of hoping this was a top over here, but looking at the daily 4 hour time frame, it's probably not. We probably actually have the end of a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. Then if it goes down, then if it breaks this structure, that's what's going to prove that we have the end of a trend on the higher time frames. So technically, you should still be looking for logs until we get this breaker structure to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.